We got another tip request question today. Can you believe that? And today our question is, when should I submit my application to a rolling admissions program? Now, inherent in the name to rolling admissions is the idea that you want to submit your application as soon as humanly possible. But every applicant's a little bit different. Maybe this program requires the GRE and you haven't taken the GRE yet. You should probably take the GRE before you submit your application. If you haven't taken prerequisite classes and you are still waiting for those to be completed so you have enough planned or in progress prerequisite courses, most programs will accept your application if you have 2 to 3 pending or outstanding prerequisites. So if you have more than that and you're waiting to complete some courses over the summer, you should probably wait until those courses post to your transcript, then submit your transcript to PTCAS, and then submit your application. Okay? So it varies depending on the applicant. So I can't paint everything with a broad swath. But if you are applying to a rolling admissions program, please apply as early as possible, because as soon as your application is received by this program, they are going to review it and either give you an interview offer or an acceptance offer, or maybe they're going to wait until a few more applications come in and they're going to see how you stack up. Either way, the sooner your application gets in, the more likely you are to get an answer from that program. Now, something else to consider is our general rule of thumb when it comes to submitting your applications. Whether you are applying to a rolling admissions program or you're applying to a program that just has a fixed deadline that doesn't care when your application gets submitted, we recommend that you submit your application 1 month before your earliest deadline. The reason for that is on PTCAS's website, it says it will take 7 to 10 business days. It can take up to 7 to 10 business days to have your application verified. Now, from our experience, by and large, most applicants do not have to wait 7 to 10 days to have their application verified, but you just never know. There could be a bunch of other applicants that are applying the same time as you, and if you rush right before a deadline, chances are there's going to be a lot of other people in the queue, and it may take some time for you to submit. So you don't want to have those errors. So we recommend, as long as it fits with your timeline and you've completed all the necessary prerequisite requirements, you submit your application a month before your earliest PTCAS deadline. That way, if there is anything wrong with your application when they go through the verification process, they can get those things fixed. Or if you're waiting for any other pending materials to come in, like observation hours, verifications, or reference letters, different things like that. Something else that is important to consider and to think about is if you are getting ready to go back to school this upcoming fall, we also recommend that you complete your application before you head back for your fall semester. Why is this? Because once you get back to school, your plate's going to be full again, and it will probably be more challenging to complete your application. So if you've got the time now during the summer, make the most of it and complete your application. Hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have additional tip request questions like this one, don't forget to submit them to us via our Instagram story on Tip Request Tuesday. And if you're applying to a rolling admissions program, but you haven't had your PTCAS essay completed yet, you definitely are going to want to sign up for our free live masterclass we're having this Saturday, July 20th. Go ahead and click on the link in our bio or in our story to go ahead and get signed up. Thanks so much. I'll see you either at the webinar or on the next video.